It is a fortunate thing for us, a proud moment for the entire team. It is only possible because of the immense and very motivated team we have back in the office, back at our retail stores, back at our factory manufacturing unit.
Hello, I'm Veena. I'm the lead designer of KV Kisan Window.
So my name is Amit and I've been working from last 6 months as an e-commerce manager.
This is Shita. I'm an HR manager.
I am Abdul Qadoos. I am working as a performance marketing specialist.
Hello, I'm Kiran, the brand manager of Kiwi.
Hello, I'm Lakshay. I'm a content creator.
I'm Nanvi, the graphic designer.
Myself Prajwal, I'm data analyst.
So hi, my name is Rohan Tomar.
Sarukhman Misra and I am a ERP developer.
मेरा नाम वरुण है, आई एम अ फोटोग्राफर। कीवी में मैं ऑलमोस्ट 2+ ईयर से जॉब कर रहा हूँ।
Hi, my name is Ubaid Ahmed. Currently, I'm at a position of regional manager, and I've been a part of KV since very first day, like since 2017.
मेरा नाम उषा है, मैं असिस्टेंट स्टोर मैनेजर की पोस्ट पर हूँ।
मेरा नाम शानू है, मैं यहाँ जाखन स्टोर का स्टोर मैनेजर हूँ।
मेरा नाम रुबीना चौहान है और मैं कीवी में स्टोर मैनेजर हूँ। जॉब करके 6 साल हो गया है।
इन कुछ दिनों में हमने काफ़ी ज़्यादा मेहनत करी, स्ट्रगल करा है। अब वो लग रहा है कि उसका रिजल्ट अच्छा आएगा।
मैंने कीवी को अपने सामने ग्रो होते हुए देखा है। When I joined this company, I got to know them better कि ये किसान के लिए एक अपॉर्चुनिटी हम प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं।
Brought our products to masses and now we are on television.
Before being an employee, I was a customer. Really love the product. Watching your brand on screen is giving me immense pleasure. So I've been seeing Nupur and Abhinav working Kiwi for the past 6 years, and it's beautiful to see their hard work being finally recognized.
Grateful.
Our brand growing and coming on a Shark Tank.
I'm so proud and
And curious to see your brand on coming on such a huge platform.
Seeing our founders in TV, it's a very great feeling.
I'm very excited.
I feel super proud.
It was a great journey for all of us being a part of that empire. So we have started from one single store in Dehradun. So that's a wonderful journey for all of us.
शार्क टैंक एक बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है और कीवी ने वहाँ पे अपनी जगह बनाई। ये एक ब्रांड ही नहीं है, ये किसानों की मेहनत और गुणवत्ता की भी पहचान है।
बहुत अच्छा लगा हमें।
ये हमारे लिए बहुत गर्व की बात है।
Yeah, like it's been a very roller coaster ride for me, but a very great exposure for learning.
काफी स्ट्रेसफुल भी रही है जर्नी।
Seeing everybody work so hard and like for giving their full efforts has been really inspiring. The past 1 month has been really exciting.
I'm very proud from my factory team to head office. It was a pleasure to being here. Put effort to bring farm to fork experience to the consumer.
and there was a lot of pressure from the next 2 or 3 months, but I am so happy to being a part of this journey.
It's been really challenging, but also it gives me immense joy contributing my work.
कंट्रीब्यूट करके मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। हम काफ़ी दिनों से काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और अभी भी काफ़ी मेहनत कर रहे हैं और इन फ्यूचर भी हम करेंगे।
Being a part of the team is a lucky thing for me. Okay, so if you like the packaging and illustrations, so I'm the person behind those.
टीम के साथ काम करना, एक्स्ट्रा वर्क करना और कस्टमर हैंडलिंग करना, कस्टमर की बातों को समझना, ये सब चीज़ें करने में मेरे को बहुत मज़ा आता है।
मतलब हमने हर तरीके के चैलेंजेस देखे हैं, मार्केट का फ्लक्चुएशन, कोविड-19, आज हम 8 रिटेल स्टोर्स एंड बीइंग अ पार्ट ऑफ शार्क टैंक इंडिया आल्सो।
जैसे कुछ पाने के लिए कुछ खोना पड़ता है, वैसे ही इस मुकाम तक पहुंचने के लिए हमने बहुत मेहनत की है, दिन रात एक किया है।
और जो हमने मेहनत करी है उस चीज का रंग अब आ रहा है हमारे लिए।
What I do, if you wanna see, follow us on our Instagram and please support us. हमने हार्ड वर्क करा है, हमारी टीम ने हमारे साथ, वो अब फ्रूटफुल आएगा। So it has been really exciting to be a part of Kiwi Kisan Window. चलो, bye.
Hi, myself Abhinav. I am the founder of Kiwi Kisan Window. And I think as Kiwi Kisan Window is a window of opportunity for the farmers of the country, also the consumer in the country to be able to access the healthy, unique flavors of India and do Bharat की खोज खाने से, जो कि हमारा मिशन है. It is not the Kiwi as a brand which has been coming on the stage of Shark Tank. It is the Kisan of the nation. That's the backbone of the entire organization. So yes, it's a proud moment. It's an exciting moment. It's an exciting moment for the Kisan of the nation to represent itself at the global map.
Hi guys, I am Nupur. I am the founder of Kiwi Kisan Window and हम करते हैं भारत की खोज खाने से. Today is a very proud moment for us as a whole team, all our friends, all our family, who's been a great support, in the lowest of the low times and in the highest of the high. कभी कभी लगता है यार इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं, क्रिटिसाइज क्यों कर रहे हैं हमें, but it is also a lot of guidance which is there constantly, and it is also a lot of failures that have happened, you know, since 2018. Every failure that has happened in this entire journey, that has led us to be there. The one pitch that we made at Shark Tank, and that has led us to have this success. But the hard work of every single person involved in this journey has, you know, has made this happen today, what you will watch on television and on this world's greatest IP for startups, which is called Shark Tank.